I decided to do a one-night Canada Day camping trip on Sharbot Lake Provincial Park. But first, on the way, we stopped in at Silver Lake Provincial Park, where we hiked the Marsh Trail, explored the campground, and also had lunch in the day use area. Camp is all set up, and now we're heading to the 1.7 kilometer Discovery Trail, which has some great views of Sharbot and Black Lakes. There's actually access via portage from Sharbot Lake to Black Lake right at the beginning of this trail. All right, it's Canada Day. We're doing something a bit different for dinner. Got some cobs of corn that I've been keeping in water here. I'm gonna throw them on the right on the campfire there, and then I picked up a couple super thick New York steaks from the butcher. So I'm gonna do that in some oil in the cast iron skillet, and it's gonna be a great Canada Day meal. So I made a cilantro lime butter that I am using for the corn, and also put some of this in the pan while cooking the steak. I think this is going to be pretty good. Made it from scratch this morning. All right, here we go. We got the corn, we got the steak. Bon appetit. I was really impressed with the amenities that they had close to our site. Just a 2-minute walk away was a garbage shed that had 3 large garbage cans in it, as well as labeled barrels for your recycling. Around the side of the building, they had shelves where you could put your empty alcohol containers, as well as a bin for the green propane cylinders and another one for the green firewood bags. They also had a few meters away a bulletin board, and your water supply was right by there as well. And literally 20 steps to our campsite was 2 vault toilets. Camp is all packed up, but before heading home, we're going to make a quick pit stop to the village of Westport for lunch.